Hi everyone, I am Megha and welcome back to my channel Perky Makes. So today's video is about this haul from Club Factory and this is in continuation to the haul week with Perky Makes. So I got a lot of requests from you guys on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook to do a haul on Club Factory. So Club Factory, a few weeks back they approached me. They said they wanted to send me some products for review. So I thought it's a great opportunity to try the website and let you guys know my opinion on it. So today's video is all about that. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, I found Club Factory very similar to the AliExpress. I think it's the AliExpress version of India, and all the products are like the same, the Chinese products, and I didn't go for much clothing items. I went for more accessories because I wanted to see how is the quality, and I really didn't want to try the clothes because I heard some really negative reviews about the clothes. So I only ordered one clothing item. Actually I ordered two clothing items. I ordered this some 2 weeks back and I received it after 2 weeks, all the products, and in between I got a message that one clothing item that I ordered got out of stock and that my amount will be refunded, which is like a turn off because I have already ordered, made my order, and then how can in between it gets cancelled? It's like really a big bummer. So I got really disappointed with that, and then the amount got refunded in my account, and then I again shopped, which are about to come, but I didn't want to delay this review, so I'm just doing this haul video today. But I'll put up a picture of here of the organizer that is yet to come. Surprisingly, I got all the products in about 2 weeks. I was expecting more like 3 weeks or 4 weeks because that's what I saw on the YouTube videos. People got their products in about 3 to 4 weeks, but I got these items except that one item which got cancelled in about 2 weeks, which was like surprisingly good. So moving over to the items that I ordered, all the items came in a packet like this, and I think they were like really good packed. Nothing was broken, and that's what is about these Chinese websites. Sometimes the items are broken. So to start with, I got a lot of belts. I love to wear belts with my dresses and experiment. So first one, I got this belt, which is like really good golden belt. So I got a similar one from Zaful. This is like an adjustable belt. So it has buckle like this, and it goes into this. And it is like an adjustable belt. You can wear it with your dresses and everything. I think the quality is the same as Zaful, and I'll put up the prices of everything here. So I like the quality of this belt. This is the same and it's good. So I really like this belt. So I ordered 3 belts. Next one is this metallic belt. This is how it looks, and it will be like adjustable. It has these adjustable straps, so you can adjust it according to your waist, and this looks really good with sari, your lehengas, your LBD dresses, solid dresses. So I really want a belt like this, but I don't know about the quality. I don't by the feeling I can say it's not of very good quality. It's like okay, so it might get worn off soon. It's like not very sturdy. I can feel it that this is not very strong, but it's like okay quality. Okay, next belt is this one. This is how it looks. This is the belt, and I really like this belt. I think the quality of the elastic is really good, and these are the buckles at the front. So this is how it is, the front part, and then the back part is elastic, so it is again adjustable as per your waistline. So I think this one is good. This belt is good. The metallic one is like so. Next item, I got like a selfie ring light for mobile. I saw in some video and I really liked it. So this is how the ring light, the small ring light looks. So it can be attached to your mobile, and then you can take selfies at night. I haven't used it yet, so I'll put up a clip here where I'll be using it.
So guys, this is how the ring light looks. It has a button at the back which if you press, you get 3 levels of lighting. So this is the first, then brighter, and then this is the brightest. So this has a clip which can be easily attached to your mobile. So I have attached this to my mobile, and now I'm trying to take a selfie with this. So I have observed that this takes yellow pictures. I don't know why, which I'm not liking at all. This is the natural picture, and that is the yellow picture which this ring light has taken. So I will not recommend this. I don't like it.
So you can charge it. It has come up with a USB where you can charge it. So next up I ordered two sunglasses. First one are these, the red sunglasses. I really wanted a red sunglasses since long, and these are like the cat eyes. So I will just show you. So this is how it looks. What do you think? I think these are really cool for my Instagram photos. I keep on buying a lot of sunglasses for my Instagram photos. Changing sunglasses makes a huge difference in the photos, and you should really have some cool pairs. So I just keep on buying from Sarojini Nagar and these Chinese websites a lot of sunglasses. So I really like this one. Next one are these very cute and different sunglasses. So these are these. And these are like really cool. I really like the color, the yellow color, and it's very different, something I have never worn before. So I absolutely love these. These are like statement sunglasses. I like things which are unique. So for the sunglasses, girls, I really like both of these. Next up, I got two jewelry pieces. So first one are these earrings. This is how it looks. It is basically our chand balis. So these are like really beautiful. I saw these on Amazon also. So when I saw these on Club Factory, I immediately ordered these, and I think the quality is good for these. These are like German silver chand balis, and you all know I'm a silver jewelry fan, so that's why I love these. Next guys, I got this waist chain. It is a long waist chain which will look beautiful with Garba dresses. I especially bought it for that purpose, and I think this will look really nice with, you know, tagdi kind of look with lehenga and chunni. So this is like really beautiful, and you can also wear this as a long necklace. So that's why I really like it. The quality of silver jewelry is good, I would say. The same as you buy from Instagram stores, it is same. Then guys, I ordered this top. It is like detailing, cut detailing at the front. It's like this at the neck, and then a deep V at the front. Now I can see, like, you know, fabric getting like, you know, it is about to get whole. It looks like this here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can see that there are like few you know, fabric missing in the fabric. It's like it will get torn very soon. So the quality is not good. It's like the same cheap stuff you get at Sarojini. Sometimes, you know, the cheap kind of stuff, it's the same, and it's like okay, the quality is not good at all. Also the fitting, I went for size up. So I think I should have gone for a size down, because normally I'm like large in these Chinese websites. The small and medium doesn't fit me. So I ordered the same from this, but this is loose. So I think if you are going for a crop top like this, you should get a size down, then it will fit you. Also you can use this kind of you know, crop tops with your saris, with your lehengas. So I wanted to get like a basic crop top. I ordered another one also, but it got cancelled. But instead of that, I got this organizer.
So guys, with the refunded amount, I ordered this travel organizer set. It has different pouches to keep your dirty laundry, your shoes, and different things. This is waterproof. The quality is good. Only issue is with the zip. It's not that strong. Overall, it's good.
But overall, I'm not happy with this top at all. So that's why I didn't order a lot of clothes, because I already heard that the clothes are not very good. So guys, my review is that if you want to go for Club Factory, you know, invest in small things rather than, you know, big, you know, expensive clothes. You should buy more of something like accessories, jewelry. That's quite cheap there, and the quality is also good. So that's my overall review on this by all the products that I have received. I think they have some really good home utility items, like I have ordered the organizers, but overall it's like the same AliExpress quality. I think it will be a hit or a miss. I think all these websites, you know, import from the same you know, Chinese market, and the same kind of stuff, the same kind of quality, so it can be like a hit or a miss. So I will not go for clothes for sure. I will go for jewelry and accessories, which are like quite cheap. So I will suggest the same to you. So guys, this is all about my mini Club Factory haul. I hope you all liked this video, and if it did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is PerkyMakes. I post there a lot of updates. I interact with you a lot there. So if you're not there, you will be missing a lot of fun. So just follow me there. My Instagram handle is PerkyMakes. And also I have a Hindi channel, PerkyMakes Hindi. So if you're interested in Hindi videos, then just subscribe to my Hindi channel, PerkyMakes Hindi. The link is given in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. Meet you next on a very interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.